If you want to maintain your privacy while using Hotels.com, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to manage your online visibility. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Hotels.com website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once loaded in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option that says Account or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the account settings, locate the Privacy or Online Status settings. This section may vary in name, but it typically includes options for managing your visibility. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, look for an option to hide your online status. Toggle this setting to off or uncheck any boxes that indicate you want to be visible to others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the settings page. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Hotels.com. Enjoy your browsing experience with added privacy.